How to copy and paste charts from Google Forms to Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can copy or paste your responses chart from Google Forms to your Word document. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right in. First of all, open up your form. So after you've opened up your form, head over to the responses section right here. Tap on responses, and from here you can copy the chart. You can see the chart right here. And if you copy the chart, it will be copied to clipboard as it says right there. And now head over to your Word document and try to paste it. So when you paste it using Control V, that is your paste option, pasting shortcut, it will simply get pasted in your Word document. And it's basically that simple. Now, if it does not work like this, there is an alternative way you can do so as well. Just go back to your chart, open up a Google Doc. After you open up a Google Doc, you can create a new page here. Just clear this out and then paste it right here. Now you can also link it to form. Tap on paste and link it. So there you can see it's been pasted. Now you can download this Word in a doc file as Word. Press on the file option, then download here. Then you'll see Microsoft Word option. Press on that and download it. And when you open it, you will see that it has been pasted and it's just as good. And that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video. Whichever method works best for you, you can use that. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.